Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the procedure used to design a cell phone using the DIA software through a CAD drawing and its modeling for possible production. First, I started by creating a perimeter of 2 inches in width and 6 inches in length, considering the main dimensions of the device, such as the length and the width. Once the perimeter was created, I used the path tool, which allows us to give volume to a three-dimensional solid from a two-dimensional sketch. Next, I created a screen which has dimension of 2 inches in width and 1.5 inches in length, maintaining the correct scale of the design. Then I use the path tool again. After that, I design the navigation buttons. First, I create a circle to keep them shift and added the three selection buttons. Then I use the path tool again to give volume to this part of the device. Later, I created a perimeter for the keypad buttons. I used the constraint tool to reposition to solid symmetrically with respect to the selected plane. Then I created an oval shape to simulate and kiss. Use the translation tool, which allows moving geometric elements from one position to another in 3D space while maintaining their original geometry. I repeated this procedure until I obtained all the required keys, and once again I used the path tool. Next, in the lower part of the piece, I created the carving part using the elongate hole tool. Once it was centered, I used a pocket tool whose function is to create cavities inside the model. Finally, I select the material of the piece. For this step, I use the Apply Material tool and select iron as the material. Thank you very much for your attention.